Plane shapes. Do you know how many types are there? Here we go. Do you know what this is? Easy peasy. It's a circle. A circle is round. It's as round as this one half. Or like this clock. It's so late. What about this shape? It looks very much like a circle, but it's not. This is an oval. It has a flat face. It looks like this rugby ball.
It looks like
Or like this egg.
or an egg.
Oopsie, this is not an oval anymore. This is a triangle. It's a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles.
How many sides
The triangle is like the piece of cheese. Or like the slice of pizza. Yum yum, it looks delicious. This is a square.
What is this?
This square
How many
looks
sides
like
square
sandwich
have?
bread.
4 equal sides.
Or like this cookie. No more food talk. I'm feeling really hungry. This is a rectangle. It has 4 sides, like a square, but they're not identical. Only its opposite sides are equal in length. A rectangle looks like this build. Or like this picture frame. This is a diamond shape. Its 4 sides are identical, but the angles are not, meaning this one and this one are equal, and so are these 2. A diamond looks like the jewel on this crown. Or like this kite. This one right here is a pentagon. Pentagons have 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A pentagon looks like this birdhouse. Or like these football stitches. Finally, I'll show you the hexagon. Hexagons have 6 sides. A hexagon is like this stop sign. Or like this beehive. You better go now. These are getting angry. Recap. Circle.
This is a
Oval.
This is a
Triangle.
This is
Square. Rectangle. Diamond. Pentagon. Hexagon. Now you know everything about.
So, can you tell me what topic we are doing today? We just watched a video. Do you know what kind of shapes we're doing today? Triangle, rectangle, circle, square. Okay, and do you know that those shapes are called plane shapes? Or we call them 2D shapes? No, you don't know? Well, now you know, right? Those shapes are called plane shapes, or we call them 2D shapes.
like when she thinks show.
Now, each one of you will stand and tell me what shape you draw, what's the name of the shape, and you will tell me what it looks like in the classroom, right? So we started with Analia, and you have to tell the class, right? She said this is a rectangle like this, TV, and you have to speak up so everybody can hear you, right? Very good.
This is a rectangle shaped like a blackboard.
Very good. One clap. Sarah. She said it looked like a clock. She drew a circle and it looked like a clock. One clap. And Avantika. It's a square and it's shaped like anything in the classroom. What is it shaped like? Anything in the classroom. What do you think? What about the table at the back there? Books, alright. And what about the table at the back there? It's also shaped like a square, right? Good. Hamalia. Show them.
This is a triangle. The triangle looks like
Okay.
Okay.
So this here is a triangle. You see it shaped like a triangle? Look also here. The chart. Look, there's a triangle here. Right? Kaifia, your turn. Give her one clap. Kaifia. This is a square and it looks like a table. Give her one clap. number of sides of each shape. So we have number 1, number 2, and number 3. Number 1, a triangle has something sides. So you have to put the amount of sides the triangle has. Number 2, a square has something sides. You count the sides of the square. A rectangle has something sides. You count the sides of the rectangle. Right? And when you're finished, you fold your arms and breathe. Write your name on the line. You can come up close, right? Like how we've done with group 1, you can come up close to get group 2. Group 2, your activity is to match the shape and their names. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 plain shapes, and we have their names here. All you have to do is match the shape to their name. We have the R word, which is rectangle. We have the S word, which is square. We have the T word, which is triangle. And we have the C word, which is circle. So we have rectangle, square, triangle, and circle. All you have to do is match these shapes so it's correct. So it's correct name. Write your name on the line. Alright? Group 3, this is your activity. You will write your name. Colors, the square red. So what color you color the square with? Colors the triangle with blue. What you color the triangle with? Blue. Right? And you can share the crayons, right? It's a group work. I said, you can share the crayons. I have crayons. Right? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Triangle. Very good. Okay, so everybody's finished their activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to tell me what you did?
Yes.
Good. We will start with group 1. Who will volunteer to tell us what they did? Amalia. All right. Stand and tell the class what you did on your worksheet.
What I did from my worksheet, I had to put in the numbers for the shape. The triangle was 3 sides. Say
on the floor, and all you have to do is find the correct shape and get into the shape. So if you find rectangle, you have to run and go in the rectangle box, right? The rectangle, right? If you have the oval, you collect the oval and you go in the oval drawing, right? Good. So I'm gonna put it on the floor right here. And on the count of, don't make it fly away, right? On the count of 3, begin. No fighting. This is no fighting second. Good. Put it down. Put it down. Run back, collect, and come back. Go back. Collect as much as you can and put it in your box. I like how the triangle one is. Where the square has to go.
A circle. Fred and Ganesh. Oh yeah.
Good. Let's see if all of you are correct now. Oval. Square. Is this an oval? This is a circle, so where the circle has to go? Over here.
Yellow triangle. A triangle. Blue triangle.
Color of the shape, and whoever first have it will raise it and show me, right? So it's a game we play. This group versus this group, right? So if I say orange square, you have to find orange square, and whichever group find it first will stand and show me to find the orange square, right? Yes. Very good. Yes. Right? So on the count of 3, don't trouble us yet. Take your hands off. Good. I want you to find green square. Green square. Green square. Very good. This group win. This group win. This group win here. They have the green square. Give them a round of applause. Good. Take your seat now. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Remove your hands from the flashcards. Pull your arms and wrists back. So we have group 2, that is over here, and group 1.